Day in Florida. Actually, she is English. She's called Aber Noyek.
D'accord. Alors, on va regarder cet élément.
Yep, we shall go right now to Florida and see exactly how beautiful it is to live up to about 100 years and even above and celebrate with all those that you love around you. A Florida woman has celebrated her 105th birthday with a party in the place where she's been volunteering for 36 years. Dori Aber Noyek still does volunteer work at Memorial Regional Hospital in Hollywood, Florida, in the Miami area. She briskly walks the halls, picking up and delivering mail.
From when I was quite young, all my life in England, anyhow, we never had a car, not at all. And I've always walked miles.
UK born centenarian has never driven a car. She prefers to walk everywhere she goes. Noyek's 77-year-old daughter came all the way from Toronto, Canada, to celebrate her mother's birthday at the hospital. Audrey Stenhower says when people hear how old she is, they are shocked because nobody has seen a person of that age who is able to get around the way she does and who has all the mental abilities she has. She lives completely on her own in a regular condo. For her birthday, Noyek indulged in a piece of cake. She says she usually eats small meals and has never been overweight, but she confesses to having a weakness for chocolate chip cookies. Lived 2 husbands and 7 siblings, she still reads the entire newspaper every day and does the crossword puzzle. She says her secret is never to complain.
Tout sur le plateau de Canal Matin avec cette femme donc qui n'a jamais conduit de voiture du tout, qui adore le chocolat et qui a quand même à 105 ans une santé de fer. Alors comment est-ce qu'on peut faire pour être comme elle, Dingle Flora?
I just said it's a blessing from God, first of all. Yesterday, remember we were talking about the moringa plant. Actually, if you consume natural stuff, you consume everything green, like vegetables. You try to eat less fatty food. You try to walk as much as possible. You know, like you take the staircase instead of taking the lift. Tu prends les escaliers au lieu de l'ascenseur.
Oui.
Voilà. It makes you, it gives you the top form. At the end of the day, you find yourself not too tired and you rest enough. You avoid maybe drinking or smoking. But I think this lady actually lived this long because she lived a very sane life, you know. And apart from that, it's also a blessing because people die of so many other reasons, or so many other things. People die in accidents, people die from illnesses, you know. So it's a blessing to live that long and to get that old. And Aber Noyek Dori is actually one of the examples that we had to take today to say, hey, it's possible for human beings to go that far, to live that long. And I mean, she's still alive today, Soflan. She's still alive, elle est toujours vivante.
Bah, bien sûr qu'elle est vivante. Parce
et certainement, elle vivra toujours.
Elle vivra encore longtemps parce qu'elle a une très belle hygiène de vie.
Voilà.
Et pour son 105e anniversaire, justement, une des invitées était sa fille qui avait 77 ans.
Bah oui.
Alors, il y a une belle longévité dans cette famille-là. Il y a surtout une belle hygiène de vie aussi. Bon, c'est vrai qu'aujourd'hui, avec la modernité, on fait n'importe quoi. On prend l'ascenseur pour aller au 2e étage. Voilà. On prend le taxi pour se rendre à 50 mètres. Voilà. On ne marche pas, on mange n'importe quoi. Voilà. Donc, c'est aussi pour ça qu'on ne vit pas très longtemps. Voilà. Et cette femme, qui n'a jamais conduit de voiture d'ailleurs, qui est toujours active malgré ses 105 ans, peut-être qu'on devrait commencer à suivre son exemple.
Exactly. J'espère que ce n'est pas trop tard quand même.
C'est ça aussi le problème. Peut-être que
c'est ça aussi le problème.
Peut-être qu'il est déjà trop tard.
Hey, Soflan, thank you so much. I will not go without saying hello to Anzi Ateba Michelle, who is watching us on Kribi, who says she loves your style very much. I want to say hello and a big up to all of you and your friends over there in Kribi. Maybe we might be coming to Kribi soon. And a very nice day to you too, Soflan, my dear.
Merci beaucoup.
And see you next week.
Ouais, on se retrouve dans un mois, puisque la semaine prochaine, nous serons en compagnie de Jason Black. Allez, joyeux anniversaire à Samuel Pondo, qui a 1 an de plus ce matin. Non, il a eu 1 an de plus.